Here we have Mary, who is signed on to the computer. We can see that the 7-zip software is installed by selecting a document and opening the Explorer menu. To uninstall the software, we go to the eProc Management Console, type Mary's account name to locate her computer, and open the real-time view. Once data start to stream information, we open the Applications view where we can see all installed software. We select the 7-zip in the table, right-click to open the menu, and select Uninstall. In the window that will open, we press the Uninstall button and Yes to confirm the action. Refreshing the list, we can see that the 7-zip software is no longer installed on the computer. To confirm, we select a file, and in the Explorer menu, we can see that the 7-zip menu option no longer exists. This concludes our training session. If you want to learn more about our solutions, please go to our website at www.eprocsolutions.com. Thank you.